Hey guys, Justin with Racing and Randomness. If you've been following along with our build, you know Texas Speed has been a big part of our whole build here. All right, now we're here to tell you about something Texas Speed has going on. And what that is they are giving away a mint 1500 2006 Silverado. It has a built Texas Speed engine in it, a built 4L80, a TorqueStorm supercharger, MaxTrac lowering kit, built posi rear end, and all the other supporting goodies that you're going to need for that thing. All right, right now on their website, any dollar spent on their website is one entry. Any dollar spent on the Texas Speed shop merch or gear is 10 times entry. So be sure to check out their website. We'll include that in the link below. But check out their website, get some cool merch, get some gear, get anything you need from them, and they will take care of you, and it will enter you to win this Silverado. And one more thing I forgot to mention, if you are going to be in Bowling Green, Kentucky at LS Fest, be sure to stop by and check out the Snowcat that we built. It's going to be in the Texas Speed booth, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. It's not something you see every day, especially in Kentucky. So be sure to stop by, say hi to me and Nick and all the guys at Texas Speed, and we'll see you there.
You thought I was gonna snap my fingers, but I'm saving that for the YouTube video where we do the built 408, built Texas Speed 4L80 paired with a Circle D converter. We even had TorqueStorm supercharger jump on board, and for our fueling needs, we're going with an air motor fuel system. To set this truck apart, it's getting a MaxTrac lowering kit. Here's a quick teaser. So, if you're tired of your friends calling you out for having a slow-ass car, get your ass over to texas-speed.com. Every dollar spent is one entry. Any Texas Speed merch or shop equipment is 10x. Don't miss your opportunity. Good luck.